Hey, it's Dan, and this is take 8. And the reason why I did 8 other videos, this is what's happened all year long, is that I keep going back to the conspiracy stuff, and I just can't do it. So for everyone that has questions, I can't answer them, and I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry that I can't help you with the truth about what's going on, because yesterday I just got a strike on my channel, and then I had to change the title, and then they gave me the monetization back. I want to monetize my videos, and I don't want to lose my YouTube. And I get really frustrated trying to speak in code, and I've just made like 8 videos talking about the actual scientific research that's coming out about what's really actually going on. And I'm just not going to share it, and I'm going to change direction now. I'm not even going to go there, but I just wanted to thank everyone. I'm going to keep this straight Pollyanna. And I'm really sorry they have to do it. I'm not doing it out of fear. I'm doing it because I know I will lose my channel, and I know that I'll get frustrated and I'll waste hours and hours. I've made hundreds of videos talking about this stuff, and then on this last video marathon, I kept it really clean and clear. So learn. The information is there if you dig enough to find out what's going on. And I'm not even going to go down that direction. I'm not even going to do that. I can't. I just can't. I was going to do it again because there was questions from people about what's going on, and I want to answer them because that's my main area of inquiry and where I've been doing tons of research as to why people are just, and it's sudden adult death syndrome, SAD, just like it was for SIDS, sudden infant death syndrome. Now it's sudden adult death syndrome, SADS, and that's what's happening, and it's none of my business. It's none of my business. I'm not here to save humanity. I'm not here to fix anyone. I'm not here to try to convince anyone of anything. The truth is simple, it's plain, it's basic, it's easy to see. And if you can't already, nothing I say is going to change your mind, because you already been brainwashed, because the brainwashing has been 24/7, 365 for our entire lives. Now, there are people like me that were born with both my middle fingers up, like, nope, not listening to you. Not going to listen to you, going to have my own experience and make up my own mind. So I get to see things as they are, and not as I have been told that they're supposed to be. So thank you all so much for watching the videos. I have to move tomorrow, and that's going to take me a couple of days. And then I've got to go travel to see my family. And then I've got to go, right on the 1st, I've got to go back to work full time. So I'll be over at the Elite Video Club on Patreon, and I do a couple of monthly classes on the weekends, usually on Sunday. I try to do it on Saturday sometimes for the people that go to church. So it's usually on the weekends though, and then I record those for the people that miss it, and then I put that up, and I do Q&As. And then this Friday I'm going to be doing a live hangout, and over there I can talk much more freely about everything that's going on. And I wish everyone knew what I knew, but the only thing you really need to know is do not acquiesce to it, ever, no matter what. It's not worth it. Because there's going to be organic humans, and then there's going to be the inorganic humans. And these ones over here, they're not going to be able to have their own thoughts anymore. And these ones over here are going to be the free ones, and these ones over here are going to be blaming these ones for thinking freely and seeing things as they are. And then over here, there's going to be brainwash extreme, much higher level of, a much higher level of it's like a diminishment of autonomy, just due to the way that these things are going to be affecting the nervous system. Anyways, like I said, I'm not going to talk about it. So get the right knowledge. The science is out there, the real science, the research papers about what's going on and what's really real. It's hard to find. You won't find it on Google. You won't find it on YouTube. But if you dig deep enough on the alternative media sites, you'll find what you need to know what's going on. And once again, though, sovereignty and health. Health is the cure. Whatever ails you, health is the cure. And I'm talking about physical, emotional, mental, and spiritual health. I'm talking about harmony. I'm talking about wholeness. Can you dig it? So this was a video. I'm sorry I'm a little bit frustrated. I just spent about like the last 2 hours making videos, and they're not going to post because I talk too much, and I don't want to risk my channel. I don't want to risk strikes, and I don't want to hear. I've already lost so many subscribers, but I don't worry about that. But I really don't want to hear oh man, I can't believe humans, how low they are in their consciousness and their vibration. Their awareness is through the floor. Not you, but just there's going to be people here and stuff, and it's a sad scene, baby. Anyhow, this is how oxygen actually dissolves that oxide material. So, and glutathione, so keep your immune system tip top, you know what I'm saying? And you'll be able to neutralize and detoxify, but make sure you stay away from the fifth generational radio frequency towers in the cities and stuff. We don't have it out here in the country, so we're not all mad as hell and angry and aggressive and sad and depressed, because the frequencies they've had frequency weapons since the 1940s. You gotta learn a lot, but the humans, they don't seem to want to show any interest in actual knowledge and truth and education and history. I'm surprised, but I guess we're just dumbed down. We're just a TikTok, Instagram-y kind of show me your tits, bend over, you fitness model you, and tell me how much you love God while shoving your tits in my face. So that's how dumbed down the thing's all gotten. I mean, I don't mind a nice pair of titties every once in a while. I mean, I ain't gonna lie to you. Like, oh, so DTM, you like them, but you're putting them down, Oh, I need a good titty joke every once in a while. God, it's too stressful with all this, being as smart as I am, it's... I'm smart. I'm a researcher. I can decipher. It's more in intelligence. It's like, you're full of shit. Red alert, red alert, red alert. Call it the Fauci alert. Oh, sure. You care. Yeah. Do I look that stupid? That's their weakness. That's the weakness of the globalists, the politicians, is they think we're as dumb as they are. That's their weakness, and that's why they're going to fail at everything they do. But a lot of people that aren't running on all 8 cylinders are going to get ixnay, or they're going to have permanent damage done to their system. So pay attention, wakey wakey. Capsule master. I mean, with these, you got to take like 8 of them. Back in the good old days, a couple of Vicodin, no problem. Now you got to take like 8 pills. Damn, dude. What's the matter with you? I am going to, I just made like 8 videos, and I deleted them one after the other. I did save the first one because it was interesting. I might put it in the archives, but I had to speak in code, and it was just stupid. I don't want to speak in code. I don't want to jeopardize my channel. I'm just going to try to keep it on, because this is going to pass. It's going to be a couple of years. Now, a lot of people are going to be ruined, and they're going to be inorganic for the rest of their lives, and a patented product, unfortunately, but it's none of my business. I don't care. A lot of my family and stuff are all jacked up. I have friends that are having strokes and heart attacks and paralysis. It's none of my business, man. Leave these props up here. This is my paradigm, dude. I'm telling you, it keeps me healthier than a goddamn horse. Mm. 8 more, baby. Man, this lemon ginger blast is great. So thank you so much for comments and thumbs up and stuff. And I just wanted to let you know that I'm not going down the conspiracy route. I'm going to shut up about it completely forevermore. It's up to everyone else to survive, you know. Be smart, you know. Really, really be smart and really, really search the internet to find the information. I just don't have a platform on Brighteon or anything, you know, or Rumble. I have nothing. I don't even know how to use those, you know. To me, it's just common sense anyways. It's not, I don't even need to, I just understand the mechanisms of these self-assembling nanoparticles. And it's science fiction times a million. It's like bizarre, dude. But not really. If you knew how depraved this cult is, and how desperate they are to maintain control because they live in fear, then you would understand. You know, it's so basic common sense. Like, should I do this thing? Should I put that in my arm? It's like, come on, man. Come on, dude. The answer is unequivocally hell the F no. Mm-hmm. 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 Chewing up the probiotics. It's tasty and it's good for your teeth. So, I'm not sure when I'm gonna come back again, but I will be over on the Patreon, at least on the weekends. And I'll try to see if I can set some time aside to do some more videos and see if I can find somebody to help me to, you know, get this whole damn social media thing figured out. Lemon Ginger Blast never gets old, man. Never gets old. Take care of yourselves out there.